All right, so I got another video for you guys. I'm in my TLX. So basically this will work for all almost all year TLXs. I'm gonna show you guys what to do. This is like, what do you do after you clean the throttle body? If you don't know what the throttle body is, it's where you press on the gas pedal and it's a valve that opens that lets air into the engine in order for the vehicle to to accelerate. All right, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to after you clean the throttle body, to clear the throttle body's memory. Okay, so I've showed how to do this on other tools, but I haven't showed how to do it with the Xtool tool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do special functions. Okay, so into special functions, we'll go to throttle. So then we'll click on Acura. The car doesn't have to be running. The ignition could just be on. Okay, so then we have absolute throttle. Okay, I've cleaned the throttle body on this vehicle already, so the throttle body is clean, and I never reset the throttle's memory. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, but I'm gonna make sure I turn the engine off. Just put the ignition in accessory mode. Absolute throttle. This device will reset the TP value, okay? After the throttle bodies are cleaned, okay. So you just press OK. The engine should gear shift to be in neutral. The engine clean, so the gear shift is in the neutral position, and apply the parking brake. Okay, so I applied the parking brake like it said, electronic parking brake, and then I hit OK. The ECM PCM has been reset, so it reset the throttle. Okay, it said on some vehicles after resetting the ECPM, the idle will decrease or become unstable till the ECPM learns the correct IAC value. If you allow the engine to run at idle for 10 minutes and no more operating temperature, the IAC will occur. Okay, so basically what it's saying is I'm gonna have to let the vehicle run, get up to the correct temperature. Once it's in the middle for the correct temperature, let it idle for another 10 minutes, and it'll relearn the idle. That's if once you erase the idle memory, that this will bounce all over the place. Sometimes it bounces after you clean the throttle, but didn't have that problem. So right now I'm just going to start it. Okay, that's just in case. So I'm just going to start the vehicle now. And as you can see, the idle went up and then came right back down. It's not bouncing. It's going to the normal position. Okay, but they're just saying to do that just in case you have that issue, to do that. Let it run, get it up to a normal operating temperature, which is in like the middle here, and then let it run for 10 minutes and it'll relearn the throttle. Okay, and then this is the reset of the engine control module, ECPM powertrain control module. That's reset like the ECU. Okay, so that's how you do it. Just wanted to make this video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to show you how to do a couple things more with the Xtool, because there's not many videos out for it. So I want to show how, to do different things on it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.